Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do a video for you and I wanted to show you what's in my makeup bag. So first of all, the makeup bag itself, I'm super excited about. I got this for Christmas for my mom. It's from Kate Spade. The back is plain and it just says Kate Spade in gold, but the front is like this nice blushy toned pink with a gold zipper, and it has little faux pearls with little gold studs. So I absolutely love this. I had wanted like a Louis Vuitton makeup bag for a really long time, but I could never pull the trigger and spend that much money on one. And when my mom and I were out shopping, I saw this one and I thought it was just gorgeous. It kind of reminded me of like if a Louis Vuitton makeup bag and Valentino rock studs got combined with some pearls or something. So I absolutely love it. It's super cute and it's a bit bigger than the small Louis Vuitton ones. So that's another reason why I never got a Louis Vuitton one, was because I thought they were a bit too small to hold bigger items like my mineral powder and stuff like that. So this I'm really excited about and I wanted to show you what I am keeping in it. What's in my makeup bag is sort of my everyday makeup, what I've been using. And because I've really cut down my kind of makeup collection over the years, it's also pretty much all of my makeup except for a few extra lip products. So it's kind of nice because you get to see exactly what I use every day. So every day I start with a clean moisturized face and then I go in with my mineral powder. And I didn't bring my brushes over here because I don't keep my brushes in here, but I've only been using 2 brushes lately. And the brush that I use with this mineral powder is it's the Expert Face Brush. Okay, I just went to grab my brushes. So the face brush that I use with my mineral powder that I really like, it's called the Expert Face Brush, and it looks like this. I like that it has a flat bottom, so if I want I can leave it sitting out on my counter, and it's by Real Techniques. I always forget the name of these brushes. I think these are just as good or even better than MAC, and they're so cheap. I know in Canada you can get them at some drugstores. Shoppers Drug Mart I have not seen them at, but I think it's Rexall or PharmaPlus, one of those you can get them at. But in the States, I got these when I was across the border in the States at Ulta. So, but I love them. So this one I use with my mineral powder every morning. It's the first thing I do. And this is the mineral powder that I use. Okay, you won't be able to see the logo, but it says Nude by Nature. And it is the Radiant Loose Powder Foundation. And I use the second color. I actually don't use the most pale one because it's a bit yellow. I use the color N2 Classic Beige. And I absolutely love this. And you can have light coverage or you can have really full coverage with it. And sometimes, like if I've got a blemish or something, I'll just pat the powder right on with my finger. But for the most part, I buff it in with this and I love it. Then usually the next thing that I do is I contour my cheeks just a little bit, and I have been using this. I got this for Christmas as well, and it's the Hoola Light by Benefit. So it's their classic Hoola bronzer, but it's the light version. And because I'm so pale, I'm a redhead, this is really nice. It has a very strong scent, but it doesn't seem to bother me. And I actually use the little brush it comes with because it really helps to like kind of chisel your cheekbones and the sides of your nose. So I really like this. The next thing that I use is blush. I actually used up all of my blushes, so I got a new blush for Christmas, and I picked this one out. I really wanted like a powdery pink, just classic matte doll pink blush, and so I got this one that's actually called Doll Face by Tarte. It's one of their Amazonian clay blushes, and the reason I got this one was because I wanted something with no shimmer, and I also really like the blushes. The last blush that I used up completely. I think it was called Partay or something like that. It was something to do with a birthday or a party, and it was the free one that Sephora was giving out with their birthday gift a few years ago, and I used that up completely. It was a bit more mauve-y and it was a mini size, and so I knew I liked the formula, but I wanted like a powdery pink, so I got this one and I love it. So I do recommend this, especially if you have pale skin, but it's very pigmented, so if you have darker skin you could just layer a bit more on and it would definitely show up on you. After I do my face products, I usually go in with my eyes. I'm still using this. I think I showed you guys this in the summer. I have not even made a dent in it and I use it every day. So this is a Clinique palette that I got as a gift with purchase in the summer, and it's just got an assortment of colors, but the palette itself, they called it Pink Honey. I looked to see if I could repurchase this because I do have quite a dip in the second color. And I think the second color is called Ballet Flats. So maybe when I run out, I'll just buy Ballet Flats as a single from Clinique. But pretty much what I do is I do this on like the inner half of my lid, this on the outer half, and then this is my highlights. So those three, so the fourth one and then the first two are what I use every day. And I love it. If I want something like a little bit more of a crease color or something, I'll throw on one of the others. But for every day for like work and stuff like that, I've just been using those and I love it. And seriously, I've used it every day since like probably mid-August, and I haven't hit pans. There's a lot of product in these eyeshadow palettes. Then the next thing I always do is my brows. I'm still using the same brow pencil. I love this. I think it is the best brow pencil ever. And I think the reason why it's so good is because it's super, super tiny. It's called a nano brow pencil for a reason. And it's by the brand Marcel. So you can get this at Shoppers Drug Mart. That's where I buy it. At Shoppers, it's usually $11.99, but it goes on sale cheaper. I think Walmart sells this brand too, but if you're in the States, I know they sell it at Target and all kinds of places, but it's Marcel and it's called the Nano Eyebrow Liner. And the one I use is in the color Blonde. As you can see, it's a really warm blonde. So if you're actually blonde and you want more of like an ash cool blonde, there's other ones too. I think they have like 6 or 7 colors. The redhead color though, the Auburn, or I think it's called Auburn, the one that I thought I would like, it was too red, and mixed with my natural eyebrow color, I didn't think it would work. But this one I've been using for probably over a year. I've bought multiple of them. They do run out, I would say, in like a month and a half. But I've used many of them and I love it, and I'm going to keep repurchasing it because it's just the best. Oh, I forgot to mention, I use this brush with my blush, and it's the 129 short handled brush by MAC. So right now, these are the only 2 brushes I'm using daily, and it's so easy and I love it. After I do my brows, I then go in with my eyeliner and my mascara. The eyeliner I use is still the Quo Art of Lining eyeliner, and it's just a liquid liner, very classic with just the brush. I really like this. This isn't expensive either. They don't sell Quo in the States though. I'm pretty sure it's just a Canadian Shoppers Drug Mart brand. But if you're in Canada and you're curious, I think it's like $8.99 or something. It's not expensive, lasts months and months. And I really recommend it. I love it, and it stays like a nice dark matte black, because I hate it when you put on eyeliner and it looks kind of like a dark gray after a while. That one stays totally black. And the mascara is the same mascara. I've been using it for years. I will purchase full-size ones. I like getting the minis for free because I think they're just as good as the full size. This is just a mini, and it's the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I have really sensitive eyes. I also somehow have like drippy eyes, even though I don't notice it. So if I try other mascaras, they will run just slightly. This one does not. It's not waterproof, but it acts like a waterproof mascara on me. And my eyes and skin and everything really like it. So I don't plan on switching it out. I love it, and it works well for me. And then the last things that I have in my makeup bag, first of all, I have one of those fabulous but overpriced hair elastics from Sephora. I can't remember the name of these, but usually they come in a 3-pack for $10. They hold my hair better than any hair elastic. These ones though, I ordered with the Sephora VIB Rouge sale, and instead of it being $10, I think it was like $15 or $20, and you got this Christmas pack that was super cute, and you got 9 of them. So I should have more than enough for a year or so. But I love them, and it was all like pinks and golds. So that's another reason why I wanted the set. But I leave one of these in my makeup bag at all times, as well as, I can't see it in here right now, but I always have this and a bobby pin, because sometimes I do my makeup in the washroom instead of at my vanity, and I like to have everything with me. And that's what I do. I pin my bangs to the side, and then I throw my hair up in a ponytail. And then last but not least, I got this lip kit for Christmas, and I think I might do a full review on this lip kit because I thought it was pretty good, and they still have it at my local drugstore. But I've been loving the lipstick from it. The lip gloss is nice, and the lip liner is great too. They're all by Nude by Nature. The lip gloss is in the color Peach Nude. I like it, but I don't like layering it with the lipstick. And the lip liner that I've got going now is in the color, it's really hard to read, number 2 Blush Nude. So if you're looking for a good nude lip liner, I kind of like this one. But the thing that I love the most is this lipstick. I guess I could put it on. It's not going to go with my outfit though. I won't put it on. Right now I just have lip balm on. But I'll do a separate video if you guys want to see it on just this lip kit from Nude by Nature, because I really like it. But this color, it is a nude that makes, maybe you can see it like this, it makes your teeth so white. To me, it smells like some kind of dessert, like a lemon dessert or something. I like the scent of the lipsticks, and they kind of look like Charlotte Tilbury, but they're way cheaper. And this color that I really like is just number 2 nude, and it's beautiful, but it does make your teeth really white, which I really like. Anyways, that is everything from my makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any product recommendations for me, if you've got similar coloring or similar kind of makeup style, please comment down below. I love hearing recommendations. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want a full review on any of these products or an in-depth video, also let me know down below and I'll do that for you guys. And if you like my videos so far, please click the subscribe button. I love getting new subscribers and hearing from you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.